Good morning, class 7th. We were reading heat. In the previous classes, we have seen conduction and convection, which is the mediums of transfer of heat, and now we are going to read third medium of transfer of heat, which is radiation. So students, open page number 50 in your science book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard word. Now here I am going to read. When you sit in front of a bonfire or a room heater, you feel warm. The air between you and the heat source is a poor conductor and does not get heated while transferring the heat from the fire to you. Okay. So here you have to underline bonfire. Bonfire means firework. Okay. When you sit in front of bonfire or in front of a room heater, you feel hot, but the air in between you and the other heater is not hot because the air is a poor conductor of heat. Now start reading. This is to say that the heat is not transferred through conduction. Convection is also not possible in this case as the convection currents rise upwards and not sideways. Further, when we put an insulating material like a cardboard between the fire and ourselves or switch off the electrical heater, we no longer feel hot. This shows that the air around us remains cold while transferring the heat from the heat source to us. So we understood that now when the air is not hot, how does the heat reach us? There is no solid medium in the middle that can conduct heat to us through conduction, nor is there a convection method because the air in the convection current rises up after getting heat, but we feel warm in a side way in this condition. Even if we put a piece of cardboard, which is an insulator, between us and the electrical heater, the heat does not reach us and we stop feeling hot as soon as we turn the switch of electrical heater off. This shows that the air between heater and us is not hot at all while transferring the heat from the heat source to us. Is that clear? This obviously is the third method of transferring heat, which does not require a medium between hot and cold bodies and is known as radiation. The heat is transferred even if there is vacuum between the two bodies. Okay. Now this means that there is a third medium here in addition to conduction and convection, due to which we feel warm. Radiation is a medium which does not require a medium to transfer heat from hot body to cold body. Here you all can read the definition of radiation. Radiation is a process of heat transfer while does not require material medium. In radiation, heat travels in a straight line from the hot object which radiates it. Okay, radiates means give out heat. Okay, radiates it. All objects radiate or give out heat, but the amount of heat radiated from an object depends on its temperature. Okay, higher temperature. In radiation, the heat moves in a straight line. All objects give out heat, but the amount of heat radiated from an object depends on its temperature. Higher the temperature, higher will be the radiation. The heat which comes out of the hot object is called radiant heat. Okay. If the temperature is low, less heat is released, and if the temperature is high, more heat is released. And this released heat from the object is called radiant heat. Light, another form of radiant energy, travels in a straight line as heat. Light and heat from the sun reach the earth by radiation. When it falls on objects like trees, soil, water bodies, human being or animals, some of it is absorbed, whereas turn the page, some is reflected. The extent of absorption and reflection of radiant heat depends upon the nature of surface it has and the color of the object. Okay, so you understood that light is another form of radiant energy which transfers by radiation. Light and heat transfers to all the things on the earth due to the radiation medium. When they reaches to an object, some part of them absorbed and some part of them reflected. This transfer of heat and light depends on two things: nature of the object, color of the object. Shiny and smooth surface reflect heat better, while dark and rough surface absorb heat better. Okay, shiny and smooth surface reflect heat, means transfer heat, and dark and rough surface absorb heat. Is that clear? Now here is the mind scramble. This is your homework. You all have to do this mind scramble in your book, and in the next class we will see activity 4.10. So thank you class.